Hey yo, this is Mr. O, and today we're going to learn how to divide 820 by 9. First, let's identify our numbers. 820 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. The dividend is the number we want to divide, while the divisor is the number we divide by. Now, let's perform the division step by step. When we divide 820 by 9, we find out how many times 9 fits into 820. After calculating, we find that the quotient is 91 with a remainder. Can anyone tell me what the quotient represents? Great job, everyone. Remember, perfect practice makes perfect. Peace and success, yo. Period. Clock it.